saying I'm the realest. Facts, yeah. Young nigga blessed. I feel like every day God put me through a test. Since I was 17, I ain't been able to get no rest.
Damn.
Bill time coming up, and guess who paid the rent? Damn, man, I miss my grandma and my Uncle Vic.
Real.
All these fucking chains on like I'm slick Rick. I feel like Master P, cause ain't nobody gave me shit.
Now.
Rose told me, young nigga, make sure you get your paper.
Boss.
If we ain't beefing about no Skrilla, then I see you later.